My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I am an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, was ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. It's widely read globally by various leaders and CEOs. Having got great response for this book, I authored another book titled 21 Success Sutras for CEOs, which is going to be released soon. This book talks purely from the perspective of CEOs who led during turbulent times and who built great organizations. This book contains lots of case studies, examples, and inspiring stories of successful leaders in the world. So one of the sutras is about learn when to hold and when to fold. That means you must persist to the extent possible, and you have to hold on. And when you feel that things won't work out, when you feel that you have reached the dead end, it's better to fold it. Of course, it is easier said than done. It's easy to say when to hold and when to fold, but it requires a lot of experience and judgment to make that call. Let me share a story of Tony. Tony was a very good businessman, wholesale trader, who started a wholesale business. Initially the profits were good as there was least competition. Gradually more and more traders joined into the competition and the profits came down. And Tony used to give goods and services to the customers on a credit basis, and some of the customers were bankrupt. So it became a big challenge for Tony, and now to run the show, Tony took a little more capital with high rate of interest and started doing business. Gradually the profits came down and the debts went up and he was bankrupt. Had Tony knew when to fold, he would have avoided bankruptcy. If Tony entered into new areas by leaving these competitive areas, you would have become better and better businessman. So what we have to learn from this story is that there are many things which we can learn only from experience, and experience comes from bad decisions. Life is all about ups and downs. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail. When the right people are in the wrong place, then they don't achieve anything. So in that case, they have to fold. So when you fold, what happens? The right person can be in a right place, and so that he'll be able to achieve success. There are certain tools and techniques which we can adopt. For instance, you must always enter into the passionate areas, and you should have clarity about the products and services when you are starting. And in case if things went wrong, let bygones be bygones, learn lessons and move on to the next level and focus on the present. Remember, if the arrow has to move forward, it has to come back. So success comes from failures. So there is nothing wrong in failing, but only thing we should learn lessons from failures in order to achieve success. To conclude, what I would like to say is, when there is a sunset, there is a sunrise. Life is all about ups and downs. Business is all about peaks and valleys. So we should learn lessons from time to time and make right decisions. And if you know when to hold and fold, definitely you will be able to become a good leader and good CEO. The takeaway from today's video is develop flexible fortitude and acquire leadership acumen to become a successful leader and CEO. Thanks for your time.